Hey guys, it's Kimberly Joe here, also known as KJ. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Shark Cordless Vortex Pro powered lift away vacuum, and this is going to be my first unboxing video, and I'm just so in love with this vacuum. Well, I'm in love with the older version of this vacuum, and so I had to get the newer version. So I just wanted to do a fun little unboxing video, just because I'm so excited about it. And yeah, let's get started. You gotta go take a nap, sweetie. So I've had the old Shark version of this vacuum, the Shark Ion P50. It's a little banged up. Like, I don't think the quality of this was that great, but the design, I don't know if that makes sense, was like amazing. It just, things about it kind of fell apart. But the design of the vacuum itself was amazing. So I'm replacing this one with the new one. This one has been discontinued, the Shark Ion P50, and this lovely thing is its replacement. So it is a cordless vacuum, which I absolutely love, and I left my scissors over here. Oh, I'm not very prepared. Okay. So it is a cordless vacuum, and the battery on the old one was amazing. I vacuum a lot, like every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. I do have 2 dogs. Obviously, you met Lily. I have 2 Chihuahuas, so I'm not too big on dog hair, like all over my house, so I like to vacuum a lot. And this vacuum has really done the trick. So I'm excited about this one. So we've got our lovely manual. Let's see what it says. The quick start guide. What's inside? So it has a handle and a hose. Obviously, the motorized floor nozzle, the wand, a pet multi-tool, a crevice tool. Let's see. This does have a HEPA filter on it, which is one of the must-haves, selling point for me. Gotta have that. Let's see. It has the option to have, like, lift it and, like, separate. It has so many different, how do I want to word this? Different ways you can use it. You can use it as like a floor stand-up vacuum. You can like lift away, which I'll show you here in a little bit, and use it as like a handheld vacuum for like cars or your furniture. So here is the nozzle, handy dandy nozzle, and it does have like this little digital thing, which is an improvement to the last one. It was not digital, so I'm really excited about that. Oh, it was upside down. Like, this is my first unboxing video, so if I'm like a cluster at trying to explain this, then oh well, whatever, just go with the flow. So that's what that looks like. I'm excited about that. Yeah, my other one kind of broke, and I had to duct tape it, and it looks really ratchet. But that's okay. It still works. Okay. I don't have a lot of like detailed information that I can tell you about this. All I can say is that I am a customer of the Shark vacuum and I love it. So this is just like a kind of light review. Alright, here here is the floor. It's kind of like a grayish color, which the other one was black. I like that. I can get this off. Ooh, fancy. So it has a really nice blue. Let me come around here. Oh, oh my gosh. I'm like tripping over stuff. Okay. So it's DuoClean. It's got the soft brush for hardwoods, right? Yeah, okay. And this is for, so it has different settings, so you can change the setting accordingly to whether you're vacuuming on your carpet or you're vacuuming on hardwood. Obviously, I think the vacuum for, or the setting for the carpet is a little bit of a stronger powered, so it does take a little bit more battery power, but it lasts. Like my house is probably, it's not that big, but I can vacuum my whole house in probably 15 minutes and still have plenty of vacuum. Well, not my whole house, but the majority of it. So the thing that's different from this one, the newer one to the older one, it did not have this handy dandy brush. This is supposed to be like an anti-hair. It's not supposed to have any hair that gets wrapped up in it. And I've yet to see a vacuum that does not get hair tangled up in it. So really excited to see if this is true to that. But it is really nice the way that it looks. I like it. And this does, well, on the other one, it did pop out. Yeah, so it's just a little click right here. And this pops out. You want to clean it probably, depending on how often you vacuum, every couple weeks to a month. Like I said, just depends. And, you know, just clean that out. This is recommended regular maintenance, just to keep your vacuum in the best condition. So I should be able to clip that back in there. Just like so. There we go. Okay. So on the other one, I don't know that it's necessary that you see my filthy old vacuum, but it has that and hair. I just cleaned it out today, so it looks not too bad. But hair did get tangled up in this. So I had to take scissors and cut it out, blah, blah, blah. I do not like that. Okay, so we've got these two. What's next? This looks like one of the little tools. Everything's packaged very nicely. Oh, okay. I didn't get one of these on the last, so this is an upgrade compared to the last one. It looks like you attach it to the hose, I imagine, and I don't know, I'll figure all that out later. But it's for like underneath things, which I love that, like getting underneath your stove or, you know, anything that's hard to get to. That's nice. I'm excited about that. Okay. This looks like this is like a brush. It's the brushal tool. Every vacuum pretty much has that. And the one thing I love about this cordless vacuum compared to a lot of cordless vacuums it's designed as like an upright vacuum, so you can stand it up. A lot of other vacuums, you have to like put something on the wall and like hang it on the wall or lean it up against something. But this has the function of an upright vacuum, which, let's see. Okay. So this is another tool. The skinny one, the long skinny one. I don't know the technical name for it. And this is the charging unit for the battery. So you just plug it into the wall. My battery on my old one would charge, I don't know how long it would take to charge, but it wouldn't take that long before, like from a zero, completely dead, to fully charged. It was probably like, I don't know, 15 minutes. So I'm excited to see how quickly this one charges. So you just place the battery in there, plug it in, and it charges. So here are the other ones that I opened. I don't know if you could see. Okay. Next up, we have, what is it? Oh, okay. The attachment to here. And it is a vibrant blue. You just put it in there. That's really nice. I'll show you up close in just a second through the battery. I think they did just an amazing job designing this vacuum. The battery looks exactly the same compared to the old one. So what does it say? Okay, yeah. So you just sit it in here just like so. Plug it in and get your charge. They really did a nice job with the color scheme. I like it. So this is the main unit. This is where the battery goes, right here. And right here you have, if I can pull it out, the HEPA filter. Well, I can't get it out right now. I do remember having to work it out of my old one, but it does come out. Over time you can replace them or clean them. But yeah, this is really nice. So this detaches from here. And you just open it up, clean it out, and it also opens up here from the top. I'm just so excited about this vacuum. Hooks in like so. Very nice. Oh, I think that's it. I'm gonna like climb into this box. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in there. So now I'm going to put it all together so you can see the final product. And this is like some of the cool features that you can use it for. See, you can lift it. Has that lift away option you can use. It has the wand, like the flexible wand, which I love that. For unreachable things, you can use that wand. Oh, it also has like the bend and flex. So you can use it as that type of vacuum with it all together, or you can lift that part away and then you can get underneath like tables and chairs and hard to reach places, and it's just wonderful. I love it. So there's has your battery status, section level, surface type. It's just a really good design. Okay, let's put it all together. So this just slides on right here. Well, that's not like that. I did not have that hooked all the way. So make sure you have everything hooked, secured. So you don't make that mistake I made. Okay. So, okay, it's together now. It has this little button right here for lift away. So you just lift it off of there like that. And then you can click it right back on. Maybe I should put it on the table so you could see it. That might be smart. Like I said, it's my first unboxing. You're probably like, this girl is a hot mess. I'm gonna have to find a different one to watch. I don't blame you. This clicks in there. Hose release right down here. This little thing clips to the back. The only thing that I wish they would do is have an attachment section like on the vacuum where I could have at least one of these tools of my choice like attached. That's the only thing that I would change about this vacuum. Being able to have an attachment or like a tool attached to it, so I wouldn't have to like go to my little tool stash. But other than that, I don't have any complaints. So there you have it. There is your Shark Vertex Pro powered lift away vacuum. Now I'm going to read my directions, which you should always do when you get new products, so you know how to properly use it. And it's not much different. Like I said, it's not much different than the other ones, so I'm pretty familiar with it, but I just want to make sure and get the battery charged and get it all set up before I turn it on. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed my lovely unboxing video, and I don't know if I'll ever do another one again, but like I said, I'm just so excited about this vacuum, and I just wanted to share my joy with everyone or anyone who watches this. So there you go. Shark vacuum is the way to go. And this little thing, I don't know if I can do it without being on the floor, but oh yeah, it tilts back like that. So you can, it has the swivel. It's just so awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna go vacuum my house, so peace. care about feeling good. It's the most important thing.